together tonight. I got some money in my jeans and I'm really gonna spend it right. Well, I've been doing my homework all week long, and now the house is empty and my folks are gone. Woo, come on everybody. Oh, well, my baby's number one, but I'm gonna dance with 3 or 4. And the house will be a-shaking from the bare feet a-slapping on the floor. Well, when you hear the music, you just can't sit still. If your brother won't rock, then your sister will. Woo, come on everybody. Oh, well, we really have a party, but we gotta put a guard outside. If the folks come home, I'm afraid they're gonna have my hide. There'll be no more movies for a week or two. No more running around with the usual crew. Who cares? Come on, everybody.